In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name columns in Google Sheets. Naming your columns with specific and memorable labels can really come in handy when you're dealing with large sets of data and need to reference them in formulas later on. This process will allow you to create a clear and organized spreadsheet, ensuring you're working as efficiently as possible. Imagine you have a table right in front of you that tracks the number of gadgets sold over a week. This table might have multiple columns filled with various data points, and you want to keep everything organized. Let's start with the data for Monday. You want to select the data range for this particular day. By doing so, you can easily navigate and manage your data without getting lost among the rows and columns. Once you've highlighted the data range for Monday, turn your attention to the top left corner of your Google Sheets interface. There, you'll find a small text box that's designed precisely for renaming data ranges. Click inside this box. Here, you'll input a name for your selected data range that accurately reflects its contents. In this case, you'll type in Monday sales. It's important to note that when creating names for your ranges, Google Sheets doesn't allow spaces. So, you might want to use underscores or capital letters to distinguish separate words within your range name. Naming your data ranges comes with a significant advantage, especially when working with formulas. When you're ready to perform calculations, such as summing up the total sales or finding the average, you won't need to manually select the range of data each time. Instead, you'll simply use the name you assigned. For example, rather than highlighting all the cells for Monday's sales when you're inputting a formula, you can simply type Monday sales, and it will directly reference the correct data for you. This method not only saves time, but also reduces errors, as you're less likely to mistakenly select the wrong cells. This will keep your workflow smooth and accurate. That's all it takes. Naming your columns in Google Sheets is a straightforward yet potent tool that falls right into the category of best practices for data management. By taking just a few simple steps, you can ensure that your work remains organized, your formulas accurate, and your productivity maximized. Once you've mastered this skill, you'll find your data handling tasks to be easier and much more streamlined. Happy spreadsheeting!